Crafting the perfect cover letter. Length and layout. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on preparing for job interviews. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cover letters. A vital part of your job application, a cover letter can often make or break your chances even before the interview. Today's focus? The length and layout of an effective cover letter. Let's get started. The length of your cover letter is critical because it's your first impression to the hiring manager. A letter that's too long may appear overwhelming, while a letter that's too short may seem rushed or insincere. Here are some key takeaways. 1. Aim for one page. This length strikes the right balance, providing enough space to articulate your qualifications without being too verbose. 2. Every word should add value. Avoid repetitive or unnecessary information. 3. Remember, hiring managers often skim through applications due to the high volume they receive. Make your points concisely and clearly. An organized layout is the backbone of any well-crafted cover letter. Here's a step-by-step guide to structure yours. 1. Header. This should include your contact details, the date, and the employer's contact details. 2. Salutation. Address the hiring manager by name if possible. If not, "Dear hiring manager" is an acceptable generic salutation. 3. Opening paragraph. Introduce yourself and state the job you're applying for. Give a concise reason that enticed you to apply. 4. Middle paragraphs. This is where you highlight your qualifications, experiences, and reasons you're a great fit for the role. Stick to 2 to 3 short paragraphs. 5. Closing paragraph. Reiterate your enthusiasm for the position and propose the next steps, like an interview. 6. Sign off. Use a formal sign-off like, "Sincerely," or "Best regards," followed by your name. Bonus tip. Stick to professional fonts, e.g., Arial, Times New Roman, and ensure you have consistent spacing and margins throughout the letter. And that's a wrap on the basics of the length and layout of a cover letter. Crafting the perfect cover letter is an art, and with these guidelines, you're well on your way to making a memorable impression. Remember to keep it concise, structured, and most importantly, authentic to who you are. Best of luck with your job applications, and stay tuned for more tips in our series. Until next time, happy learning!